Yo, I think I'm a loser because I've got no skills, but I want to create something. Idea! Let's make a fucking game. No, 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 no. Not a fucking game. Just a game. But my stupid fucking brain rotted brain with two cells can't really think of anything. And after scrolling all over Instagram reels and watching Sigma Skibidi and Lux Maxing content, finally I have mentally prepared myself to create some shit. And yeah, that's right, I try to make a full fucking game in 24 hours. With no sleep, no plan, just caffeine and code. So what could possibly go wrong? So let's start. But before I do anything, I need to think of what game I wanna make, right? And to make a full game in 24 hours, what would be better than making a stack jump game?
The Spider-Man meme is me looking at Drake. It's like
Hey stack jump, can I borrow your homework? Yeah, of course, just make sure you don't make it that obvious, so just change it up a bit. Yeah. And for those who don't know what a stack jump game is, fuck off, I'm not telling you shit, you assholes. And then, despite of his choice of words, this stupid guy went to explain everything in detail. So basically it is a game where the player has to jump on the blocks coming towards it. Then you jump again, then you make some mistakes, and then you die, I guess. Yeah, you die. So now let's just express some gratitude to my Lord Master Brackies, GameDev.tv, and let's just fucking begin. And to make the game, I chose Unity game engine, which works on the C# programming language, and I don't know shit about it. So first of all, we start by creating a Unity project. And I'm so much dumb that I'm just gonna name this game after my own name. Brat Stack Jump. Yeah, it's boring, but shut your bitch ass up. Anyways, we'll start by creating a platform for our player on which the player will stay, and then we proceed by creating our player, which is just a green square. And now it's time to teach our player how to move. And in this game, movement is just jumping. But wait, what the fuck is that? Oh right, it's just jumping over and over again, like its life depends upon it. Well, in this case, it kinda does. And now it's time to make the enemy. And what could be the enemy? Well, you guessed it right. Just a block button, red color. Since red means danger, red means enemy, red means danger. Hey, don't look at me like that. Alright, now we have created our enemy, but our enemy does not do anything yet. So we start by creating an enemy spawner script. And this enemy spawner script will spawn enemies either on the left or the right side of the screen. And now we make the enemy move towards the player. So now the basic functionality of the game is pretty much done. And now the enemies move towards the player, since no bitches run towards my ugly face. That's because I'm a computer science and mathematics student who is always in his room and just an autistic retard. And now it's time to add some visual effects to my game. And by visual effects, my fucked up two brain cells can only think of the Unity particle system. And now we have completed the basic functionality of the game with some visual effects. So it is now time to add a scoring system to our game. And what could be the scoring system for this game? Even a 5-year-old will know. And if you haven't guessed it by now, you should question your existence just like me. Like, why in the fucking hell am I even still alive? Anyways, it's still my fundamental duty to explain you how the scoring system will work in this game. So basically, when the player jumps and lands on the top of the enemy block, the player will score a point. And if the player touches the sides of the enemy, the player will just die, I guess. So now the scoring system is done, but as you know, I'm a top-notch gamer. And I started scoring high scores in my own freaking game. It got to a point where the player went under the screen. Can you just imagine it? And that's when I knew I had to make the camera follow the player. But My stupid ass brain doesn't know how to make the camera follow the player. So I took help from the Cinemachine tutorial from Brackies, and now, boom, the camera follows the play. It looks almost complete, but I feel like it's still missing something. Oh, yes,
Oh yes, Daddy.
UI. And here we go. Here's the UI. Yeah, I know, it's ugly as fuck, but just you're gonna have to accept it the way it is. But my game still looks kinda ugly as fuck, and I think I wanna change its looks. I do wanna looks max my game, right? A fucking mogger game. Boom, bitches! Here's the new look. I busted my ass off for 2 hours on the Unity asset store and I found this asset pack. What? You thought I was gonna make those assets myself in just 24 hours? Fuck off. But it still looks a bit odd, like it's missing its soul. It's missing something really important here. Well, you guessed it right. It's missing animations. Boom again, bitches. Here is my final product. Stop complaining and let me enjoy my hell of a creation for once. Let me enjoy my masterpiece for once. So, yeah, this was me creating a game in just 24 hours. Did I take more than 24 hours? No. I didn't. It was less than 24 hours. Yeah. I swear. Make sure you share, sub, like and comment down there. And I'm also thinking of making devlogs for my data science and web dev projects after I learn them. And let me know if you have any idea for a game. I'd love to hear some crazy ass ideas. Till then, keep playing games cause it's fun. Peace out.